right around the corner, and I hope you all have the wonderful plans to make your Christmas more memorable. But I want you to take it as an opportunity to learn something new and great on this wonderful occasion. And what it is. And I think it's a great time to learn some new vocabularies, add some new vocabularies, new English words in your vocabulary building. And that's why I came up with this video, because in this video I'm gonna share 25 plus vocabularies or English words of things which we usually use on the occasion of the Christmas, on the day of Christmas. So without doing any further delay, let's start with the video. So I'm going to show some pictures over there, and what you have to do, you just guess the name, correct name of these pictures. And if you are able to guess the correct name of that picture, then very good, it's excellent. And not, then congratulations, you add new vocabulary in your vocabulary building. So let's start. Stocking, snow globe, snowflake, reindeer, poinsettia, wreath, candies, Christmas cap, or you can say hat, obviously Santa Claus, sleigh, holly, bell, stars, ornaments, lights, Christmas tree, snowman, chimney, ball, bow, Christmas pudding, Santa sack, candy can, gifts or presents, and this last one, fireplace. And that's all in this video, and don't forget to comment that how many of these you guess right. And at last, I just wanted to say that keep learning, never stop, and grow a lot. And if you like this video and you find this video informative and add some value in your vocabulary, then please like and subscribe also. Bye bye.